How to change your Facebook email. To help keep your account secure, you will want to make sure that the email address you have associated with your account is up to date. You can also change the username for your Facebook created email address, but you can only do this once. So choose wisely. Number 1. Sign into your Facebook account. Number 2. Click the question mark button in the upper right corner of the page. Number 3. Select Settings to open your account settings. Number 4. Adjust your email settings. There are two different types of email addresses associated with your Facebook: your contact and recovery address, and your Facebook created email address. Both can be changed from this page, though you can only change your Facebook generated address once. Contact and recovery email. Click the edit link next to your current email address. Click Add Email and then enter the email address you want to change to. Open the verification email that is sent to your email account and follow the link to confirm the email account. This will now be the primary contact and recovery email address for your account. Facebook created email address. Click the edit link next to your username. This looks like a web address. Your username is used to create your Facebook email address, and changing it will change the email address too. You can only change your username once, and if it does not include your real name, Facebook may revert it.